be careful. Thanks, Lewis. Good job, Lewis. Did Lewis help you up? Y'all be sweet. Cade, don't kick him. Thank you. He's just being playful. Oh, Lewis! Don't jump on him. Don't jump on him. Jump on the ball. Cade, what are you doing? Don't jump on him, Lewis. Are you falling down? Can you show him the Superman or the Spider-Man? This is just a funny game. Cade Thomas, can you say bye-bye? Can you blow me a kiss? Thank you. Say bye-bye, Lewis. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Mwah.